Martin and Chris Kratt, the wildlife. Oh,
No.
lost it. Uh-oh. There's a lot of opening pages. Martin and Chris Kratt, the wildlife. But Martin and Chris Kratt. Oh, hard to do. Making TV shows is fun, but making wildlife shows isn't so easy. We have been bitten by snakes, mustelids, whatever that thing is, a Galapagos shark.
What Galapagos shark?
That guy right there. And approximately 10 million mosquitoes. Hyenas have chewed on our boots while we were still wearing them. We have been stalked by tigers, tackled by Komodo dragons, and charged by elephants.
What Komodo dragon?
They show some, I think in the next page they show the Komodo dragons. They're coming up soon. We've been lost at sea, in a rainforest, and in a desert.
What a rainforest?
A rain is like a jungle. We've carried 200 pounds of camera equipment up a mountain and then realized we forgot the film. Oh, Chris.
What film?
Film, that's what makes the camera work. It's like forgetting the paper. Who are we? We are the Kratt brothers. Yes, we're real brothers. I'm Martin, and I'm the oldest one. I wear blue. And I'm Chris, the one in green. We grew up in a very wild place called New Jersey. On our first creature adventures, we met garter snakes, box turtles, and toads in the woods behind our house. As kids, we had normal pets, like cats and dogs.
You dogs.
Look at those cute little pup and dog kitty. And we also learned about wild animals. We read books, watched nature videos, and explored the woods whenever we could. We wanted to learn more. Chris, during high school, I worked as a raptor rescue at a raptor rescue center in the great swamps near my house. I loved getting to know hawks, falcons. Yes. I loved getting to know hawks, falcons, eagles, and owls. Then I went to Carleton College to study biology. On a field trip to the Boundary Waters in Minnesota, I saw wolves in the wild for the first time. Martin. In college, my focus was on zoology, the study of animals. My favorite class was about frogs and salamanders. I also had a job taking care of rare lemurs at the Duke Lemur Center. When I fed the baby I, it liked to tap its finger on my watch. We knew we wanted to help animals, and we wanted to help save endangered species. We dreamed of telling people about the amazing creatures on the planet by making our own TV show. It was a long shot, but we had to try. So we set off into the wild with a video camera and our backpacks. First, in Costa Rica, we hiked the remote beach to film sea turtles coming ashore to lay their eggs. More than 20,000 turtles crawled up onto the small beach as we recorded one night. It was exciting and a little scary. Predators like jaguars and crocodiles also came to the beach looking for an easy meal. Yeah. We took the video from this adventure and edited it in our parents' basement to make it into wildlife films. Then we started calling TV stations. We asked them if they wanted our show about animals. Many stations wouldn't even talk to us. The rest just said no.
Why?
They didn't want a TV. They didn't think it was good. We were disappointed, but we wouldn't give up. Next, we traveled to Madagascar, the only place in the world where lemurs and fossas, tenrecs, and the most chameleon species live in the wild. We even filmed the newly discovered golden bamboo lemur. We would show our Madagascar videos. Would showing our Madagascar videos be the key to getting a TV show? Sorry, 1 second. Camera. The television people still said no. One producer even said, cute, but it'll never be a TV show. We decided to keep trying. So we journeyed deep into the Amazon jungle in South America. I like that picture. One morning, army ants swarmed into our camp. They ate everything they came across. All the animals in the jungle ran for their lives, and so did we. We were lucky to get away. On the lake in the morning, we were even luckier. Giant otters swam up next to us. Giant otters are endangered. Only a few thousand live in the wild, and we got to film 7 of them. Then our boat sank, but we managed to save our video. We entered that video, Amazon Adventure, in an important film festival. It won an award. Our films had gotten better and better because we had practiced by making so many. The public broadcasting system, which most people call PBS, thought our idea was a fun way to learn about animals. It became our very first TV show, Kratt's Adventures. Man, it's hard to turn the page. While holding you and holding... Oh, thanks. Remembering our time in Madagascar, we made another show called Zuboomafoo with the Kratt brothers. It starred a sifaka lemur named Zuboomafoo. All kinds of animals came to visit us and Zabu in our clubhouse. Called the Animal Junction. Yeah, that's his nickname, is Zabu. It was clear to us that animals have personalities like people. We went back to the wild to live with the animals for a new TV show called Be the Creature.
What's that?
That is a Komodo dragon.
What's Komodo dragon? What's Komodo?
It's a giant lizard.
That lizard?
Mm-hmm.
That's Komodo dragon?
Yes.
And what's that?
Komodo dragon.
Another one?
Mm-hmm.
Why are they attacking?
I just do that. They're grumpy sometimes. We quickly learned that being the creature isn't easy. For Komodo dragons, each day can be a fight for food and resources. And all creatures use different ways to survive. Ah! These wild experiences helped us understand that humans have many things in common with wild animals, but the animals can do things we can't because they have creature powers. That thought inspired a whole new show called Wild Kratts. In every episode, we imagined, what if? And turn into animated versions of ourselves. Wait, let me get the right page. Hold up. Wait. As animated characters, we could run like a cheetah and swim like a dolphin. We could show things that couldn't be filmed in the wild, such as tardigrades in outer space, and the battles between colossal squid and sperm whales in the deep sea. Man, I can't switch it. We started receiving letters and emails from kids wanting to help animals. This gave us an idea for a project to help wildlife. We would perform live shows, and when kids came to see us, money would be raised to protect a wild place where animals live. Grizzly Gulch became the first wild refuge created by Kid Action. It is a protected habitat for grizzly bears, wolves, and more, and we hope to create more refuges in the future for other wild animals. You never hear that as a plural. It's usually a refuge. It has been a wild journey for us, with a lot of bumps, bruises, and bites. But there's still a lot of animal species to discover, and we don't know what will happen next.
What bumps?
Will a snow leopard get into Martin's tent?
Ah!
Will a bighorn sheep knock over Chris's camera?
Ah!
Nature is full of surprises.
They look happy right now.
Yeah, they do. Because they love nature. And new things to discover. The Kratt brothers. Creature mission continues. Brothers Martin Kratt and Chris Kratt are zoologists by training who have spent their lives learning about the creature world and sharing their enthusiasm for animals. Wait. They are actors, directors, scriptwriters, authors, and wildlife cinematographers ever in the pursuit of creature adventures. The end.
I want to dance in that book.